The example which I'm sharing is actually happened. A person, like a friend, also gave his number, phone. He like, I have to make an urgent call to his unknown friend. कुछ तो problem था, phone battery down थी. So he made a call, but that call was made to a rich person. That was an extortion call. It was an extortion call. Okay, you have to meet at this place, and this will be a last call. I won't call it back. And all details were shared. ये कब की बात थी? ये I guess 7 years back थी. That time smartphone was not that into boom. We had a small phone जिसमें audio recording तो नहीं थी. So that time ये बात हुई थी. So
फ्रेंड का फोन यूज किया,
extortion call किया. उसको खबर भी नहीं, बताया भी नहीं. That friend got pulled into the case.
Yeah.
So minor things. I gave you 3 examples. Everything, anything, whatever happens, if a person is carrying liquor in his car, there is a limit, permit limit होती है. कितनी liquor carry कर सकते हो? State wise. But there are people who keep stalking. रख दो गाड़ी में, कुछ नहीं होता. There are people who गाड़ी park करके drinks करते हैं. उनको लगता है it's my private space, but it's not a private space. The car which is parked, it is a public property. Again, that can pull you in an offense. So minor things people think is very casual, normal. इससे क्या होता है? इससे ही होता है. Once you have a name in records, then imagine your entire future will be on risk. You will not get passport. Certainly you won't get passport. Job issues होंगे, background verification issues होगा, और तुम्हारे केस पेंडिंग है. See where is leading now? Criminal record आ गया. No matter what it is, record तो है. No matter what.
फाइल तो बन गई.
Record, पुलिस के record में तुम्हारा official नाम आ गया है. And nowadays I would suggest don't trust anyone. Be with your best friend also, because you have no idea what he's doing, how he can, put you in a trouble.
Yeah, knowingly, unknowingly.
You cannot say I wasn't aware of this. See, in law, in criminal law, intent is very important. That's a later part. That can be proven in the court, but the procedure at the initial stage, you have to face it. Every person has to face it. But that procedure itself becomes a punishment.
Yeah.
Harassment.
Yeah.
Visit of police. Court. Paisa. Mental harassment.
Yeah.
Work. Everything is on toss. वो later part है. That will be proven innocent or not. But the procedure itself is a punishment. So avoid that. Follow some, you can say, guidelines. Follow some basic guidelines.
You're saying while जैसे famous quote है कि कानून सबूत मांगता है.
Yes.
वो सही है. पहले तो वहीं से शुरू होगी कहानी.
Yes.
But eventually intent पे आएंगे.
Yes, intent पे आएंगे. That's our work. That's our work to prove it. Whether intent था कि नहीं. But what I'm trying to say here is that will take time.
हाँ.
5 साल 10 साल लग जाएंगे ट्रायल पे केस आने पे.
लाइफ निकल जाएगी.
You never know. But that initial time of his or hers
is gone.
Imagine.
Time is the only thing you can't bring back for anybody. अगर कोई बोलता है कि आपको पुलिस स्टेशन आना पड़ेगा, क्या हमें जाना पड़ेगा?
When police confront you, ask under what section you are trying to pull me. There are almost 75% innocents in jails under trials.
जब पुलिस आईडी मांगती है, can we refuse?
If you put even one complaint against that police officer, that will hamper his career. Whenever you visit police, never give complaint verbally. Police fear about the uniform.
पुलिस हमारा फोन लेके उसको चेक नहीं कर सकती.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Unless you have a warrant. If you ask me, why do you defend the crime? Why do you defend the criminal? One of the interviewer also asked me, you criminal lawyers, you know the person did crime. Still you defend them.
हाँ.
I'm sure this is a common question for every common man.
It's an ethically, morally incorrect thing to do.
Do doctor think about whether he is a criminal or whether he is some different religion or different from community or something? He treat him as a patient.
Yeah.
Will he say, no, I will not operate him as a criminal? He do his duty. Just like me. We are the officers of the law, the judiciary. We defend the process. We defend how the case is presented in the court. We see the loopholes, what police did, what the investigation did. We see everything. How is the evidence was planted or not? How are the witnesses? Are they hostile? Are they getting hostile? Everything. We will see that. We will defend the process. You getting my point?
Yeah.
I will not defend the criminal.
Yeah.
But how he has been put in that case. So कैसा लगाया केस में लाया है? वो procedure follow किए क्या? There's a new judgment from the court. It says that from the Supreme Court that when a person is being arrested, especially in a drug case, a video camera should be there. I mean, the complete procedure of his frisking, checking का पूरा video shoot होना चाहिए without cut. If that is followed, then the arrest is justified. थोड़ा भी कट दिखा 1 second का, it's not acceptable. Then the arrest is illegal.
अगर उसका फुल प्रॉपर वीडियो नहीं है
Yes,
तो
without
बिकॉज
cut.
बाद में आपने कुछ भी करा हो
कुछ
सकता
भी
है
हो करता है.
हम्म,
Why ये ऐसे क्यों आते हैं? Why we get such judgments?
हम्म,
Because of what has been practiced since ages. जो चलते आ रहा था.
yeah,
So somewhere even the law judiciary is also coming up with
coming up with examples
examples.
based on that.
Exactly.
ये जो आपने बोला ना 1 सेकंड का भी कट होगा तो नहीं होगा,
Hmm.
but with technology you
Hmm.
can't even make out a cut.
Hmm.
How does law understand that?
That can be, see the footage, it's not itself directly you can say it's a real footage. Footage are been sent to the forensic labs also.
हाँ,
And there we can determine whether it has been edited or AI. You can say that AI nowadays are so strong.
yeah,
Even if the person is not present, but you can show the person is there.
exactly.
So that you can see
Is the Indian law, honestly speaking, currently equipped to understand
Yes.
deepfakes?
yes, there are technologies. Yes, we have a trained professionals.
Wow.
Yeah, we have trained professionals. But again, it depends on the intent. How intentionally you want to present that.
Hmm.
Do you really want to work on that?
Help me understand
Hmm.
कि अगर मेरे साथ कभी ऐसा हो जाए कि मेरी कोई वीडियो कहीं पे पहुंच जाए,
Hmm.
तो जो मेरी हालत खराब होगी सोच के, उसके लिए what is it that I should know to not panic?
Never get panic when you see something which is not yours. अगर आपका कुछ वीडियो से वायरल होता है,
Hmm.
first thing
Hmm.
is to approach the cyber police immediately. You should have a records. Later on, you should file an FIR online first up to the cyber police. That's
Okay.
certain things. You have everything you can see in the details,
Hmm.
how the case has been, how the FIR has been filed online.
Okay.
Then visit to the cyber police station with the
Okay.
complaint. Always whenever you visit police station, never give complaint verbally.
Okay.
Personal experience, never give verbally. Always give in writing and take 2 copies. One is for them and other one for you. And take a receiving copy from the police.
मतलब वर्बल बात ही मत करो,
करो ही मत.
जाओ लिख के लेके
लिख के
जाओ,
लेके जाओ.
वही उनको दो पढ़ने
Yes,
के लिए.
no matter आपको किसी लॉयर से लेना, आपको जो लगता है आपके साथ हुआ है.
हम्म.
नॉर्मल बेसिक है, सबको एप्लीकेशन लिखने आता है,
हम्म.
कंप्लेंट्स लिखने
नहीं
आते
तो
हैं.
किसी से लिखवा लो.
लिखवा लो, सिंपल.
हम्म.
बेस्ट वे इफ यू टेक द एप्लीकेशन फ्रॉम अ लॉयर, बेस्ट वे हो जाएगा. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ, बिकॉज दे नो व्हाट हैपेंड. You don't want to put emotions in that.
Hmm.
Put facts. And police don't have time to read your 2-3 page application. If you go
Right.
to the lawyer, he will put in one single page and put the application. That's it.
Right.
So you have both the options.
Hmm.
But that doesn't mean, if this is for the people who can't afford the legal services.
हाँ.
So best way, people nowadays using ChatGPT, I guess.
Yeah.
Right? Make use of it. Have technology, make use of it.
To at least अपने क्योंकि चैट जीपीटी अब आप इसलिए यूज कर सकते हो क्योंकि आप कोई लीगल बात उसमें नहीं कर रहे हो, आप अपनी बात जो कहना चाह रहे हो वो डाल रहे हो
and
summarize it.
yes, and I would also say don't unnecessarily put sections.
हाँ, मतलब
Not required.
That's exactly what I'm trying to say कि लॉयर नहीं बनना है.
Not required.
आपकी कहानी है, आपको बस अपनी कहानी बतानी है, अपनी प्रॉब्लम बतानी है.
Police don't like this.
हाँ.
Practically what police don't like this. Police like तू मुझे कानून सिखा रहा है क्या?
Yeah.
Right? तेरा मैटर क्या, बता मुझे. I'll take it. मुझे अगर मुझे लगता है ये cognizable offense है या नहीं है, ये मैं डिसाइड करूंगा. If you are satisfied, ठीक है. If you're not satisfied, you have remedy. Go to the senior police.
Yeah.
Give in writing. Everything should be writing. Why? Because I'm saying if tomorrow this case lands in the court, court will ask you, have you followed the due process? Then yes, I have followed. I have approached the police. कैसे? Verbally? No. Court will not believe. Again, I said court need facts.
Yeah.
My application tha, I've submitted the application, sir. This is the date. What happened? Then court will help police responsible.
But 2 कॉपीज लेके गए.
Yeah.
और तो 2 कॉपीज में दूसरे वाले को साइन करके लेना चाहिए.
Receipt copy. Yes.
Receipt.
Same copy होता है. And the police know the procedure.
But अगर उन्होंने रिसीव साइन नहीं करके दिया,
Send it by a speed post.
Okay.
Speed post भेजना है. Wait for some time. Response आता है कि नहीं आता है. Then file an RTI. Asking for the complaint. ये इस डेट पे मैंने कंप्लेन किया था. Put a post this. And police know once they get a post copy, when they get the speed post, they know that this is for the records.
Now they have to answer.
They have to answer. And if you file the RTI, the power of the RTI is very dangerous. If you file the RTI, then police are bound to give the report. No matter what. They are bound to give the report. This is the smart technique. You can, initiate your complaint.
आपके पास में ज़्यादातर youngsters आते हैं with problems cases.
Right.
और these are like वो जो seniors जो कि रिटायर हो चुके हैं या
हम्म,
पैसे कम हैं और परेशान हो रहे हैं,
हम्म.
आपके पास कौन ज्यादा आता है?
Right now, from past, you can say if I show you my data,
हाँ.
from past 3 years, I'm getting a very Gen Z crowds.
Mhm.
So sorry for the term, but youngsters, you can say
Youngsters,
that.
yeah.
Youngsters,
Gen
I'm
Zs like
getting.
to be called Gen Zs.
Someone get offense also.
Yeah.
So yeah, I do get such clients.
So
With
what are the issues? What are the legal issues that they are dealing with?
recent case, I'm still handling.
Hmm.
This girl was in madly in love with a man. Obviously, met online,
Hmm.
and he made her so nice convinced, that she took a loan on her name.
For
And
him.
for him, yes. And he convinced her that at the end we're getting married anyway, so that's fine. We'll repay both. How they play with the mentality. And that poor girl, she almost, you can say that 16 lakhs she took a loan. Almost.
My God, that's a lot.
That was a young girl, and that person just took her everything. And see, it wasn't on a one shot.
He took the money.
Yes, and it wasn't in one shot. It was like today 1 lakh, tomorrow 5 lakhs, with every reasons. And he used to pay also the EMIs. First 1 or 2 EMIs pay भी किया है to get the confidence.
Trust build
करना है. And girl is like, ठीक है, पैसा तो दे रहा है, EMI तो भर रहा है.
हाँ.
What's the harm?
हाँ.
But she doesn't know you are the hell liable if anything goes wrong. और ऐसे ही हुआ ये केस में. And one fine day that person got absconded completely.
भाग गया.
Completely. And now she is with what? With the debt of almost 15.80 something lakhs, close to that. Bank will not see, ना. बैंक देखेगा नहीं किसने किया. बैंक को लगा तुमने लोन लिया है. I will chase you.
बिल्कुल.
Then imagine her package and then her EMIs and everything. Now she's in loss. She is in a big trouble.
Yeah.
Now we are in a trace to trace that man. But that will take time. That will take a part. But till then, bank will not listen.
We experience police guys or lawyers telling the client to तुम्हें ये करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. तुमने ये कैसे कर लिया? तुमने like this is suppose छोटे कपड़े क्यों पहने? रात को क्यों बाहर गए थे? राइट? इससे बात ही क्यों करी तुमने? है ना? इसको ये तुमको किसने कहा था ये करने को? राइट? Now, is it okay for people in authority to have this conversation? Like, is it the framework?
No, it's not. That's again, there are no rights to talk on all your personal things, what you're wearing, where you're going. That's your personal choice. No one is allowed to comment, or even if a lawyer also, what happened with you, he should focus on that. What crime, what offenses happened in your case, he should focus on that, not to correct you. That's everyone's personal choice, whether going out late night, everything. Law protects you 24/7. That doesn't mean 12 के बाद law मुझे protect नहीं करेगा. Normally कहते हैं. So it's responsibility of the department to ensure the safety. Be it a man, be it a woman. It's their responsibility. So protect citizen. That's what they paid for.
If two adults,
yes.
If two people who are above 18 and are together with consent of each other in any situation, they're sitting, talking, or they're entering a hotel, is this illegal? No, it's not. It's completely legal. It's your constitutional right. No one can moral police you on that. I've seen few of the videos also. Even I've seen complaints also where police try to moral, ऐसे बैठ नहीं सकते, हाँ तुम घूम नहीं सकते हो, पर mom dad को phone लगाइए ऐसे. Right. It's completely illegal. In this case, I would just advise those couples, just see who is the officer. Okay. Take the name of the officer. That's it. Fair. Don't argue. क्या करना है करने दो. Later on, file a complaint against that officer. See, police है ना, ma'am. Sorry, Sonia. Police, I'll tell you, police fear about the uniform. पुलिस को अपनी वर्दी का डर होता है. डर होता है. ठीक है, हाँ, सही. So if you put even one complaint against that police officer, that will hamper his career. And no police want this. Right? हाँ. There could be a departmental inquiry also. And on records, if there's a departmental inquiry, it's bad for his promotions. Right. Right? And this falls everywhere. So in your question, yes, this is your constitutional right. Even if you're in a hotel also, both are adults. Yeah. And with your consent. No one can barge in your hotel and ask you and moral police you. You without marriage, तुम ऐसे रह सकते नहीं, तुम ये क्या कर रहे हो, you cannot do this, you can't be with this, whatever. So let's break it. कुछ ऐसी चीजें हैं जो हम पैनिक में कर देते हैं, इस इन मोमेंट्स में जो लाइक अडल्ट्स ऐसा कर देते हैं जो हमारे लिए बाद में अगेंस्ट चला जाता है, या कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो अगर हम ध्यान रखें अगर उस टाइम पे कर लें देन इट कैन stop the harassment.
First step, don't get panic. Be calm. The more you get panic, the more you get exploited completely.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल panic नहीं होना है. Secondly, everyone have a weapon nowadays. That is a smartphone. Open up your smartphone, start recording. It's your personal space. Start recording. Who is harassing you and all? Start recording. No one can take your phone also.
So can the police take our phone?
They cannot. Police cannot search you also. Police cannot take any of your goods also. Nothing.
They can't physically search us?
No, unless you have a warrant. And if they have a suspicion that something you've been possessed of something, anything illegal things, but that also required a warrant. There's a myth. Police like normally police, I have to check your phone, show me what's in your phone. They cannot do this.
So police cannot.
It's illegal.
Without warrant, police हमारा phone लेके उसको
नहीं
check
ले
नहीं कर
सकते.
सकते.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
उसको जमा करना तो बहुत दूर की
वो तो
बात
बहुत दूर की बात है.
But
They
ऐसे
cannot
लाओ
touch.
मुझे phone दिखाओ.
They cannot touch your phone also.
So अगर हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं और उन्होंने बोला ये फोन मुझे दो तो मुझे देना जरूरी नहीं है.
बिल्कुल डरना ही नहीं है. It's just
नहीं देना है मुझे.
Just a human in a uniform. That's it. Consider that. Play with your mind. Keep in your field in your mind. Police are humans like you and me.
Right.
But a little knowledge of law. I'm talking about the different level of the police.
Sure.
Not the higher ranker.
Right.
Because different level of the police, the low ranker police, they do all these things.
Right.
Yeah. So they have been taught just the basic things. जैसे books के जो index होते हैं ना topics.
ऊपर से पता है उनको सब.
और वही they have your own एक moral law बनाते.
हाँ.
ये allowed नहीं.
पर वो तो और ज्यादा फियर लेके आ जाता है ना.
That's what
अब ये वाले सिचुएशन में अगर दो अडल्ट्स हैं जो विद कंसेंट एक दूसरे के साथ में हैं, वो तो है ही है ना. they are already aware. वो स्लीप वॉक थोड़ी ना कर रहे.
Exactly.
वो तो होश आवाज में बैठे हैं ना.
If they aware, अगर कोई aware about their rights है, they know this is allowed.
हाँ.
So they have the confidence. They can talk. They can fight back. I'm not saying fight back physically, but they can fight back verbally completely. So if they are aware of their rights, कि ये allowed है in my country.
But मैंने खुद देखा है कि जब youngsters बोलते हैं सर इसमें गलत क्या है, मैंने क्या गलत किया, तो सामने से जवाब नहीं आता है कि क्या गलत किया. You know, it's not a narrative. It's not a conversation. वो बोलते तू मुझसे पूछेगा कि क्या गलत है, है ना, बैठा गया ऐसे, ये क्या है, वो क्या, चल पुलिस थाने. अब जैसे चलो
पुलिस थाने जाना है, पुलिस स्टेशन बिंदास जाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. चलो क्या करेंगे आप, थोड़ी ऑफेंस लगाएंगे, कुछ नहीं लगाएंगे. they will harass you. But once you go, if they say ना चलो मॉम डैड को फोन लगाओ फोन, that will be on records in fact.
Right.
That will be on records. If they call their mom dad कि मुझे कॉल किया है, ठीक है. At the end these are family. फैमिली को हम हैंडल कर सकते हैं. बट पुलिस को डर के अगर हम फैमिली से डर रहे हैं, पुलिस का डबल एडवांटेज. आई एम नॉट सेइंग पुलिस आर बैड.
राइट. बट जब अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कुछ अनफेयर हो रहा है, देन यू आर सेइंग कि ठीक है फैमिली अगर मिसअंडरस्टैंड करेगी या गुस्सा करेगी वो बाद में हैंडल कर लेना. बट वो डर से पुलिस को ऐसा बोलना कि नहीं मम्मी को फोन मत करो, पापा को फोन मत करो, इसको मत करो, वो कर,
पैनिक नहीं होना है.
हाँ, तो उनको एक्चुअली एक तो पैनिक हुआ, दूसरा पुलिस को भी तो और शक बढ़ जाता है कि तुम कुछ गलत कर रहे हो.
एंड वंस यू गेट फंबलिंग हो जाते हैं, इफ यू नॉट अवेयर ऑफ थिंग्स, एडवांटेज हो जाता है. एंड दिस आल्सो ब्रिंग्स टू मी वन वेरी सीरियस लाइन आल्सो फॉर द कपल्स who actually are doing indecent activities in the public places also. For them also, obvious, this is in public places, you cannot have such activities also. So for them, it is a strict law. There's a sections on that. A public indecent activity. It's a section they can charge on. So if there are couples who are kissing in the public places and all, obviously it's not allowed.
It's not allowed. Kissing is not allowed.
Not allowed. Obvious. If you're holding hands, if you're sitting together, if you're eating together, that's completely fine. But nothing physically, nothing going beyond that. If that, then obviously police will interfere. They will interfere, and that is morally also correct.
Morally also correct, yes. But it's also illegal.
Illegal.
So like dividing the line between moral and illegal.
Illegal, obviously. We have a separate sections for that.
Sure.
In the law.
Yeah.
So that can be charged upon you.
Okay.
So when police confront you, don't get panic. Ask, be confident, and ask under what section you are trying to pull me in this. What section you're filing me case on me.
ठीक है.
Ask police. Have that confidence. Okay. Secondly, if they force you, let's go police station. Let's go police station. Show that confidence.
Okay.
What will happen if they take you to police station? What will happen?
बैठाएंगे, बहुत घंटे टाइम वेस्ट करेंगे,
और क्या करेंगे?
हैरेस करेंगे, मारेंगे, पीटेंगे।
और क्या करेंगे? There is a solution. They will like, okay, इतना जो भी
पैसे
है,
मांगेंगे।
जो भी रहेगा, XYZ. In short, they will threaten, they will harass.
बिल्कुल।
मॉम डैड को बुलाएंगे, ये करेंगे. And इस दबाव में couples ये गलतियां करते हैं. So never do this. Don't get panic. Basic law समझो. बेसिक लॉ समझो, क्या कैसा यूज करना चाहिए लॉ, हाउ टू यूज योर लॉ, हाउ टू यूज योर राइट्स, एंड वंस यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट, नो वन कैन हरास यू, नो वन कैन ट्रबल यू इन वेयरएवर यू गो.
ओके. एंड जब पुलिस आईडी मांगती है, कैन वी रिफ्यूज टू शो एन आईडी एट एनी पॉइंट?
No, you cannot. You should follow. You should cooperate with the police. Depends on what occasion they're asking. If they're asking ID at the time of checking, जैसे normally जो नाका होता है,
हाँ.
they are following the duty. So it's your duty to reveal your identity. If they have been asked to stop so and so criminal who is trying to run away from this so and so place, so obviously they will ask your ID, they will frisk your vehicle, yourself, because they have orders. But randomly police ask your ID, that's not allowed. You can fight back. You can say, for what purpose you need my ID.
About the police station fear, coming back to it. अगर कोई बोलता है कि आपको पुलिस स्टेशन आना पड़ेगा, तो क्या हमें जाना पड़ेगा?
See, depends आपको क्या कैसा आता है. Like if police calls you and tell कि आपके नाम पर complaint आया है, okay, so complaint आया है, so for that purpose you have to visit police. I would suggest don't go. Not required, not mandatory.
Okay.
अगर
तो क्या बोलना चाहिए फिर उस टाइम?
क्या complaint है, किस बारे में complaint है, क्या FIR हुआ है, complaint हुआ है? डिफरेंस है FIR और complaint में.
क्या
complaint
FIR और complaint में
differences है. Yeah.
क्या?
Complaint is informal, right? If I go to police station, I have a problem, I have told the police, आपको पता ही नहीं मैं पुलिस को मैंने क्या deal, whatever, and police call me and tell me that so and so person has come here and he's filing a complaint against you. He's filing a words देखो आप, he's filing a complaint against you. You have to come and visit. On what basis? See, police have been instructed, if there is a cognizable offense again, police have to serve you a notice to appear before them.
Right.
जब तक notice नहीं आता है, you're not bound to visit the police station. और क्या होगा police station आप जाने के बाद भी, at the complaint. See, FIR होती तो police by default आपके घर आती.
Right.
That's your work, to arrest you. और पुलिस आपको बुला रहे, complaint आई है. That's the biggest mistake people will do it. Once you go in their net, then you have no idea whatever will happen.
Yeah.
XYZ. Unnecessary, you will be threatened or whatever. See, I'm telling you the practicality what happens, because people don't take it as if every police station or policeman do this.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं.
Right. So this all the practicality is happening.
अगर होता है तो क्या करना चाहिए?
क्या करना चाहिए? So don't visit, ask for the grounds who are calling me, or ask them to send me a notice. And obviously, if there is a notice involved, then police have to do the documentation. And if the documentation involved, the complaint should be cognizable. So never let police do the work of judge. Again, police cannot just catch anyone and put behind the bars. There's a difference between detain and arrest. Police can detain you for questioning. Okay.
Right.
You have to first clarify, ask, am I detained or am I being arrested?
Okay.
You have to clarify that.
Right.
Okay. Because see, police station, it's their court. It's their arena. ठीक है? It's a closed wall. जो करना है वो करेंगे. Right? Common people doesn't know what happens in the court.
Yeah.
We know it. It's our daily work. So police station में जो चलता है, even judiciary, even the judges know what happens. So a statement given to the police is not admissible in the court. This is a very big thing I'm telling you about.
Statement given to the police is not admissible in the court.
Yes.
मतलब नहीं, थोड़ा simplify
okay.
करो.
To example, अगर आपने पुलिस ने आपको डरा धमका के,
हाँ,
ये काम तूने ही किया है, पेपर पे लिख के दे मुझे, या ब्लैंक पेपर पे साइन करवा है, एंड यू इन दैट फियर तुमने लिख के दे जो किया भी नहीं तुमने, और यू हैव साइंड द ब्लैंक पेपर्स और समथिंग, एंड पुलिस विल ड्राफ्ट एनीथिंग इन दैट. I'm just giving a hypothetical situation.
Yeah.
And then police is present in the court. देखो इसने तो लिख के दिया हमें, इस चीज का तो स्टेटमेंट है, but court doesn't accept that. Court वो स्टेटमेंट को मानता ही नहीं है.
वो तो सबूत है.
But it's not admissible. That's what I'm saying. A statement given to police is not admissible in the court. Court doesn't consider it as evidence.
Oh.
This is what happens. So when
What does it consider as then?
statement.
That's it.
That's it. Statement can be manipulative also, can be edited also, can be, बोलते हैं ना, मिर्च मसाला लगा के भी कर सकते statements.
So court ये समझता है.
समझता है. It's our work to tell them. It's obvious, understood.
Right.
Every lawyer knows this.
So अगर कभी किसी के साथ प्रेशराइज करके किसी ने कुछ लिखवा लिया, पुलिस ने, किसी अथॉरिटी ने लिखवा लिया,
Yeah.
अगर आप अवॉइड कर सकते हो तो ऑब्वियसली अवॉइड करो.
Avoid करिए.
बट अगर नहीं कर सकते हो तो वो एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड नहीं है.
So don't fear. जो लिखना है लिखने दो. जितना साइन करना है साइन करो. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. At the end that will come into court, and court will never accept that.
No, because they can do so much.
So much.
And because they are the first point of
Contact. Yes.
And ये सबको पता होता है कि अगर यहाँ से बात गड़बड़ हुई तो आगे तो जब ठीक होगी तो होगी, बट मोस्टली तो नहीं होगी.
नहीं होता है.
You know, because evidence, like we saying, evidence ही कैप्चर नहीं हुआ, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन ही करेक्ट नहीं हुआ.
सही बात.
और ये इतनी अथॉरिटी, इतनी पावर की वजह से तो हम सब में फियर होता है.
दिया है. That's what.
But the only way out of fear is awareness.
Exactly. The more people get aware, the more people will use their rights.
Yeah.
And I want people, every citizen of this country, to know their basic rights. My concern is only basic rights. I'm not going beyond that.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Basic rights. If you know your basic rights, you are like 70%, you have knowledge of the law.
Yeah.
That's it. So, no, you should know how to handle police. You should know how to handle investigation. You should know how to handle situations where it requires.
When it comes to investigation,
Mm-hmm.
right? Then what are the basic laws that one must know before and during an investigation? हमारे rights क्या हैं?
See, when the case reaches to the level of investigation, if you are the accused, okay, and if you're out on bail, first of all, you should come out of bail. Why bail gets rejected in such cases where it, because the police the court thinks that there's an ongoing investigation, I will tamper the investigation.
Yeah.
That's the reason bails mostly get denied.
Correct.
But if the lawyer is smart enough to convince the court that we won't tamper the investigation or the witnesses. So, as an accused, if you're asking me, yes, he should cooperate with the investigating agency, because that's one of the term in the bail condition, that the accused will cooperate. Right? And secondly, there are no such rights for you when it comes to level of investigation. Because that's a part of police. Whenever police seems it's fit, whenever police seems you are involved in this, they will do it. Even if you're near to that IO also, investigation officer, later on it can be turned against you as well. Because he's an investigation officer.
Yeah.
So we have to be careful.
कुछ connection
नहीं होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
Be a little careful. You have a lawyer for that.
Yeah.
Right? So, as such, there's no specific rights when it comes to investigation. Just provide facts. Try to prove yourself, your part, in a way where police, whatever ask you, just give those details. Don't give unnecessary details. If they ask you, I need call details of so-and-so date, just give that much. Don't unnecessarily give the entire, your complete chain. Getting what I'm pointing?
Yeah.
Just give what is asked. Unnecessary, don't give
उतना ही दो.
Utna hi do. If you give anything, then police have different ways of thinking.
Extra नहीं देना.
Extra नहीं देना. So that I could say, that could be one of the point you can save yourself, or during the investigation.
हम घबराहट में हम बहुत कुछ extra
दे देते हैं. Sir, ये भी लो, मेरा ये बैंक का statement लो, वो बैंक का statement लो. No, what has been asked to you, give that only. If you have 10 accounts and there's a fraud with your one account,
उसकी बात करो.
It's their duty to whether check it out whether you have accounts or not. It's their duty. Why you unnecessarily give, sir, मेरा ये भी account देखो, इसमें पैसे नहीं आया, उसमें देखा नहीं आया.
Because हम लोग उसको supporting evidence की तरह देखते हैं.
Exactly.
अपने आप को prove करने के लिए. देखो मैंने पहले कभी कुछ नहीं किया,
Don't
मैंने ये नहीं किया, मैंने वो नहीं किया. So evidence. But उसका जरूरत नहीं है.
See, understand, you are accused. There's a word called accused. You're accused with this offense. You're not declared. You're not declared that you've done the crime.
Right.
You're not criminal. You're accused. That's what the word itself says clearly. I'm accused in this case. ठीक है, accused किया है, court में prove होगा I'm innocent or guilty.
Yeah.
So behave like an accused. That's fine. And हमारे law में भी है, it's like proven innocent until guilty. Getting it?
Yeah.
So
still you're not proven that you've done the crime. You're innocent.
Innocent. It's a presumption.
ना trauma है ना. With these words, it's a stigma.
Exactly. Right.
And अगर हमारे rights के point of view से, अगर पूरे level पे हमारे साथ गलत हो रहा है, and अब हम judiciary में हैं, court में हैं, right? लॉयर भी हमें लग रहा है कि हमें चीट कर रहा है,
हम्म,
हमारा खुद का लॉयर हमें चीट कर रहा है, समझ आ रहा है किसी टाइम पे,
हम्म,
उस टाइम पे लॉयर चेंज करने के अलावा हमारे और क्या राइट्स हैं, बिकॉज बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते लॉयर चेंज.
you can request अगर lawyer आपको मतलब see you hired him for your case,
Yeah.
okay, on papers.
Yeah.
अगर आपको लग रहा है आपका lawyer is not capable, not doing enough on that, like I said before, you can complain if he done any fraudulent things with you, complain to the association. Secondly, you can appoint a different lawyer for that, as per your choice. That's your right. Even if the lawyer doesn't give you NOC, that's fine, no problem. You can also hire a different lawyer on that case.
So without NOC, we can
You can hire.
another
You can
lawyer.
just need to tell the magistrate. Normally lawyers देते हैं in this case, but there are rare and rarest case.
हाँ, वही रेयर की बात हो रही है कि अगर किसी का बुरा वक्त चल ही रहा है, you know, सब परेशान कर रहे हो उसको.
If someone wants to trouble you, you know, deliberately,
Yeah.
complain to the magistrate. As simple as that. Your complaint has more weightage than our complaint.
Wow. करते हैं लोग?
Yeah, करते हैं. Do
like
it.
proportionately आपने देखा है कि
I've
लोग?
seen it. Yes.
Wow.
People do it.
So nice.
This happens. That's what people don't know what exactly happened in courtroom. What media shows, bail मिल गया मतलब fine, he is free, बच गया. But bail
means बच गया.
is like, okay, I'll give a simple example. Bail is nothing but a dog with a leash. As simple as that. So you can be free, but with a leash, with limitation. If you want to travel, you have to take permission of the magistrate. If you want something for your career or for your background verification, that will hamper permission again. Passport के लिए permission लगता है, मतलब you need magistrate's help. So bail, लोगों को लगता है bail मिल गया मतलब सब काम हो गया, मतलब ये free हो गया. It will take time. He has to face the trial for no doubt. He will face the trial.
I think वो fear इसलिए, I mean between you and me, I think that fear is more panicky because बहुत सारे ऐसे केसेस देखे सुने होते हैं कि जो एक बार बेल पे निकला.
And what is the source? What is the source? कहाँ से देखते हैं आप cases? What is the source? What do you think?
हाँ, वो भी है. नहीं, एक तो हो गया कि अपने जानने वाले में, not the social media, वो तो अलग ही लेवल का प्रॉब्लम है.
I would add, source would be movies. जो movies में दिखाते हैं how judiciary functions, it's completely opposite. This is how the judiciary functions. Not at all. 1%, I can say 5%. And that 5% what includes the position of the magistrate where he sits, the position of the opponent, deponent, everything, and the audience, I mean the juries and everything. Not juries, but yeah, the courtroom completely set up.
Yeah.
That's 5%. But how the court, how the argument, those are completely different. This is not how the argument goes in the court. There are different ways of argument. Like you see the movies, people yell, people shout, people do drama, everything. This doesn't happen in the court. Court maintain decorum, respect. And no lawyer shouts unnecessarily. Justice is not something to make a noise. Right? So what movie shows...
the lawyers can't create a panic there.
No, they cannot. See, it respects. Nowadays, I see there are, few videos are being circulated on social media, how judges are being, judges, they summon, they school the lawyers when it comes to respect, decorum of the court.
Yeah.
So you understand, there's a system, we have it in the courtroom itself, ethics. So जो movies में दिखाते हैं वैसा तो नहीं होता है.
अच्छा, लॉन्ग शॉट है, बट मैं पूछ लेती हूँ. बट अगर कंप्लेनेंट को लगे कि जज ही करप्ट है,
which is very rare.
I know.
Very rare.
बट अगर 0.1% भी एक चांस है कि आपके बार बार हियरिंग्स हो रही है और आपको कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है, आप सामने वाले को एडजर्नमेंट नहीं मिलना चाहिए था.
You can change the court. You can put an application to the district judge. You can change the court. If the matter is in before the magistrate, you can complain to the district judge and you can ask for the change of the court. दूसरे कोर्ट में आपका मैटर आप लगवा सकते हो. Or you can have remedy to the high court. There are remedies for everything. Yeah. But on what basis you thinking that judge is being biased? Tell me. The magistrate being biased. On what basis?
वो पूछेंगे, yeah.
Just because favor the complaint or the order is not in your favor? That's his work. That's his court. If he inclined to give you the order in your favor, he'll give it. Right? That's why you're there.
But ये तो contextual है ना बात.
Exactly.
Right? So like somebody who's feeling wrong is feeling wrong.
Feeling wrong. Completely.
तो उसके rights की बात.
So you have the rights. Like I said, you have the rights to appeal, to go further for fair justice, but you have to give the reason. what you think, why there's a problem, why you think is biasness. I doubt people will come up with that reasons for that.
And then it gets complicated.
And then judge. I mean, there's a human at the end.
Yeah.